For our asparagus, we're gonna cut off the ends or the pale part. Looking back, where the hell did I buy these bodybuilder asparagus? These motherfuckers big as shit. Olive oil, salt, pepper, and some minced garlic. Throw it on top of our asparagus and give it a Nuru massage. Now let them vibe out on the side while we work on our potatoes. So I cut mine thick, drizzle on some olive oil with some garlic powder and paprika, a little bit of salt with some elbow grease. Mix them up and transfer onto a parchment paper lined baking tray. We're gonna take these to the next level by adding a little bit of Parmesan. Alright, bet. We're gonna have to cook these potatoes first, 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. After 20 minutes, you're gonna wanna flip them over and also throw our asparagus in the oven. Get yourself a piece of salmon and make sure that there's no bones and no scales. Now I season my salmon with only salt, pepper, and paprikas because later I'm gonna give it some top it off with some sauce. Alright, we're gonna throw some oil onto a pan at medium heat and we're gonna add our salmon skin facing down. Once you look at your salmon, you're like, okay, 50% white. We're gonna flip it over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And that's pretty much it. Serve with a lemon if you're trying to be bougie. Can I get a Hoya? First things first, get yourself some yellow onions, cut them into little slices like so. In a pan on low heat, we're gonna add some vegetable oil, throw in our onion, then add some organic, non-GMO vegan butter, a little bit of salt, and we're gonna cook it for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Dude, that long for some onions? You're tripping. Look how good it looks, bro. Trust me, it's worth it. Cool, now we're gonna butter up some buns. And today I'm using potato buns, but you can use whatever buns you want. But if you end up using hot dog buns, just remember to DM me your address so I can slap the shit out of you, cause what the hell is wrong with you? You wanna make sure that your buns get buttery and toasty as possible. You know what I'm saying? Look at this shit. Moving on, we're gonna get ourselves some Beyond Beef and form them into little squares. No, I mean spheres. Throw some oil into a pan on medium heat and we're gonna throw our meat in and smush it down flat. Season with salt and pepper or whatever seasoning you want. Wait about 2 minutes, flip it over and season again. Throw some vegan cheese on top of the patty and cover it with the lid until it melts. I was way too hungry for that, so I took the patty out, threw some butter lettuce on top, cut myself a thick slice of tomato and put it on top of the lettuce, added some barbecue sauce, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go. Ooh. Get some sourdough, take it out, put it on the counter. Get yourself a plate and now we're gonna prepare our cheeses. We got Gruyere cheese, boom. We got white and yellow cheddar. We got Parmesan cheese, bro. Our sandwich about to be multi-cheese roll. Get yourself some unsalted butter. We're gonna microwave it for about 10 seconds to soften it up and then put it on our bread. Only on one side though. Once every square inch of the bread is covered with butter, we're gonna get a big ass pan, set the stove to low, and we're gonna add some olive oil. Bloop. Now get the bread, put the buttered part facing down so that it can get nice and toasty. Do that to both of the pieces. And now we're gonna go crazy with our cheeses. Alright, since we have 4 cheeses, just put 2 on one side and 2 on the other because they're gonna be combined together anyways. Lay the 2 pieces on top of each other, and every single part of the bread that is white, we're gonna add some butter to it. Alright, we about to reverse gentrify this shit. Keep on flipping the sandwiches so that both sides can get golden and talk to me nice. Bro, are you seeing this right now? You can't even Photoshop this. Now slice your sandwich in half. Bro, I'm lactose intolerant, so I don't even know why I made this, but shit. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye. First off, you're gonna get a really big Ziploc bag. You're gonna ask for the biggest shrimp that you can find at the supermarket. Look at my shrimp. 4 cups of flour, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and just shake it around. I'm filming this with my mouth and I'm so proud of it. So you're gonna put the fire to high, low, a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna put a little bit of butter, you know, be modest. Psych, this shit ain't a game. I'll put more butter cause I want to. Alright, after the butter melts, you can put your garlic in. Sploosh. Make sure you do not burn the garlic. Last time I burnt my garlic and it tastes like straight ass. We're gonna transfer our garlic butter sauce into a bowl, a little bit more olive oil, take the shrimp out of the bag into the oil. Beautiful. And after 3 minutes, we're gonna flip it over and oh my god, beautiful. You thought we didn't have more shrimp? We got all the shrimp. Dude, we're gonna pour our butter sauce all over. Okay, that's just the butter. Boom, okay, that's the garlic. Mix it around, show it some love, you know, flippity flop. And now for the most important part, put some parsley on there, man. Bitches love parsley, bro. Just put it on there. And now let's just take a moment to appreciate the view. Oh my god. And that's it. You know what I'm saying? Easy peasy lemon squeezy.